is Sunday in the evening, and we would be discussing in this particular video of Bank Nifty the levels for tomorrow to trade, and in the coming week how Bank Nifty would perform. So in the last week we have seen Bank Nifty almost gave us a 1400 point rally from the levels we highlighted on Monday, that Bank Nifty is not going down and Bank Nifty would go up in almost uh, no time. And we captured the move. We advised you on the Telegram channel also to buy the calls of 36,000 and 36,200 or 300. We made a lot of money in Bank Nifty in last week. So guys, we are now in the next week. Let's see how Bank Nifty would perform. If you see, after the breakout of 35,800, we went to 36,200 and we had closed above 35,800 levels, precisely at 35,809 levels. So the Bank Nifty bulls got active and we have sustained above this particular level. So in the coming week, how we can trade Bank Nifty, let's see in the 15-minute chart. So if you see the 15-minute chart, in the last week, last 3 days, after a huge move on Wednesday, we are in a sideways for the last 3 days, and on the expiry days also we opened almost flat and then went down, and the movement was like a zigzag up down but in a range. So in the last 3 days, if you observe the price of Bank Nifty, the Bank Nifty on the downside is getting support at 35,700. See, the last 3 occasions, 35,700, as soon as Bank Nifty came near the level of 35,700, the buyers got active and they bought the Bank Nifty in this particular area and took advantage and moved almost 200 to 300 points on the upside from this particular level. And on the upside, if you see, I have drawn a trend line on the upside. The Bank Nifty is finding support resistance at this trend line, which comes to 36,000, 36,050 odd levels. This resistance occurs on the upside. So on Monday, there are 2-3 scenarios to look upon for trading, and the first scenario is if we open flat to positive in this particular area of 35,800 to 35,900, and we trade in this particular range for the first 15, 20 or half an hour, and sorry, try to make a range. And after trading for first half an hour or hour or so, and if we try to move up on the upside of about 35,900 and 36,000, more precisely about 36,050 levels, we would buy Bank Nifty 36,000 call at that particular level. When Bank Nifty starts to trade about 36,050 odd levels and sustain above it for a considerable time, we can buy 36,000 call, and the target on the upside would be 36,200 and 36,300, 500. So these are the targets on the upside on a flat opening, and try to move above this particular area. And if you open flat and if you try to move below 35,680 level, because 700 is a support, and if we try to go below 35,680 levels, the 35,600 700 levels, buyers would be in panic, and in this situation the Bank Nifty would move down till and if you try to trade below 35,680 level, the buyers at this level would be in panic, and they might try to exit their positions, and in that scenario the Bank Nifty would move down to 35,400 odd levels, which is this level. Sorry, 35,400 odd levels in a flat opening and moving below 35,680 odd levels. This is the second scenario of trading to Bank Nifty on the downside below 35,680 level. And Another scenario is a gap down scenario. If we open gap down, say suppose in the range of 35,500 or 35,450, 480 levels, or maybe 550 levels. In this particular zone, Bank Nifty should maintain itself in this particular level and not go below this. And when it trades for almost a first half hour or so in the range of 35,500, 600 levels, we can buy Bank Nifty in this particular area with a stop loss at around 35,300 odd levels, and we can achieve a target of 35,700, 35,800, and 35,900 on the upside in a gap down scenario. So if we gap down at particularly this 35,500, 35,450, 480 level, we can buy a 35,400 call, because this is a low market right now, low weeks market. The VIX is almost at 12 levels. So in this particular low VIX market, the premiums on the calls, on the out of money calls, are not impacted much, and we lose out on the out of money calls. So at the money and in the money calls would be preferable for buying, and we can benefit from that in the money or at the money call, as and when the Bank Nifty starts to move in the direction we have discussed in this particular area. So this is the third scenario of a gap down, and in the gap down we won't short the market, we will buy the market till 35,400 is maintained on the downside. Below 35,400 levels, if we start to trade, then level of 35,200 and 35,000 is possible. But as per my view, 35,400 would get protected in a downward gap down situation, and the buying would emerge in this particular area, and we can again move till what this particular area of 35,900. So another situation for trading would be a gap up scenario. So say suppose we gap up at around 36,000 or 35,950, 980 odd level, and in this particular area, if we gap up, we can we need to observe the price as the gap up, almost if we saw in the last 1 or 2 months, whenever we had a gap up, we came down from there, because the gap up situation provides premium to the sellers who are actually the active members on Bank Nifty to bring the Bank Nifty down for the last 1 or 2 months. So in a gap up scenario, the sellers would get active and bring down the Bank Nifty in a gap up situation of 36,050, 36,000 level to the level of 35,700 level. So a gap up situation, and the sellers, if they get active, we need to observe the price after a gap up. If we sustain about 36,050 levels after a gap up for a considerable amount of almost half an hour to 15-20 minutes, then we can go and buy the calls or on a gap up scenario. Unless and until we don't sustain about 36,050, we would not go and buy any call. We would observe the price at gap up. If it starts to move below 35,900, then we can buy the 36,000 put on the gap up and try to capture the target of around 100 200 points till 35,700 odd levels. So on a gap up, this kind of a scenario is possible. Another scenario in gap up, if we sustain about 36,050 levels and sustain above it for a considerable amount of time, then we can go long, and in that scenario the target would be of 36,200, 36,300, and 36,400, maybe 36,500. So these are the scenarios to trade on Bank Nifty tomorrow. So not a single kind of trade analysis we can do and go and buy or sell. We need to observe the price of Bank Nifty when it opens tomorrow, and in what range it opens, and then only we can buy the Bank Nifty as per the opening after uh, on tomorrow morning. So trade cautiously, and we will analyze tomorrow in our Telegram channel that how the Bank Nifty had opened and uh, at what level. So we'll discuss the levels on Telegram channel tomorrow and highlight it to you as per the opening on the Bank Nifty in tomorrow's session. So thank you